Hi, I'm Rini, and today I want to talk about how to create essential oil spray bottles, plus some of my favorite recipes that you can start making today. So I love creating essential oil sprays in my home and using them with my kids around the house. And I have a great lavender linen spray recipe that I'm going to share with you today too. I just love how not only easy these are to make, but how simple the ingredients are. So I'm going to share with you what ingredients you're going to need to make these essential oil sprays. So the first thing you're going to need is a glass spray bottle. So my kind of go-to size for a spray bottle is 5 ounces or 8 ounces. So you can get any of these on Amazon, or you can get them from an essential oil supply shop. But anywhere you get them, you just grab those first, and then you want witch hazel, and then your essential oils of choice. So depending on the recipe that you're going to be creating, you're going to be using different essential oils. So how you create an essential oil spray bottle is you take your spray bottle. So if you have a 4-ounce spray bottle, you're going to open that up. You're going to add about a tablespoon of witch hazel, and then you're going to add about 25 drops of the essential oils or oils that you have chosen for your recipe. After you're done with that, you just fill it with filtered water and then put the cap back on, shake it, and then it's ready to be used. So I'm going to go ahead and share 3 of my favorite essential oil spray recipes with you here. So the first is one that I use very often, and it's my lavender linen spray recipe. So this is just very simple. All you're gonna need is your lavender essential oil. So you're gonna have your 4-ounce glass spray bottle. You're gonna add your 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, and then you're gonna add about 25 drops of lavender essential oil into the bottle. Top it with the filtered water, cap it, shake it, and spray it on your linens as needed. So it's one of my favorite things to use. It smells amazing, and it's perfect for kids and babies' rooms as well. The second one that I use often is my kids' playroom spray. So this one, it's the same ingredients that we used before, the 4-ounce glass spray bottle, the 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, but now what you're gonna wanna do is add 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of wild orange essential oil, and about 5 drops of frankincense essential oil. You're gonna top it with your filtered water, put that cap back on, and then spray as needed when the kids are playing or in the playroom. But I love this spray. I use it with my kiddos, and they love it too. So this is just a great spray to keep on hand on the playroom when needed. Okay, and then the last recipe that I wanted to share with you today is called Refresh. So again, you're gonna take your 4-ounce glass spray bottle, about a tablespoon of witch hazel. This time though, you're gonna add about 15 drops of Roman chamomile essential oil. This essential oil is amazing because it is so calming, soothing. Love this oil. I use it with my toddler when needed as well. But you want 15 drops of the Roman chamomile and about 15 drops of rosemary essential oil as well. And that's it. That's how simple they are to make, which is why I think it's easy for us to use these in our home, because they are so simple and they're such supportive, natural tools that, especially as a mama, I really appreciate having in my home to help with my kiddos and just to help with day-to-day life with soothing, calming, just all the things. So I hope you enjoy them too. So if you want more recipes and more helpful tools and tricks and healthy living checklists, make sure you check out the link below to my free library. So this has tons of great information for you, all free in one library. So make sure you click the link below and grab that to get immediate access now. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more great tips and tricks and to get notified each time a new video comes out.